Welcome to Study Room. This video is on Annual Report of Department of Post 2019 and 20. This is the latest annual report and most of the competitive exam questions will be based on this annual report. Hence, we try to provide a complete analysis of the annual report here. This is a part 1 and part 2 will follow. If you become master of this annual report, you can sure that most of your general questions can be answered easily. So all the best. Friends, this video has 50 questions. To get maximum benefit from these videos, I like to suggest you to first note down serial number 1 to 50 in a notebook. The correct answer mark right and for wrong answer mark into. Thus, at the end of the questions, you can see how many wrong answer you have done. Then immediately go through the wrong answer once again to recollect the correct answer. After 2-3 days, once again attend the question as a fresh by noting down in a notebook. Then compare whether there is any improvement for the previous attempt. By this way, you can become master of the subject. All the best, go ahead.
Question number 1. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi released a set of 6 commemorative postage stamps on the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on 2 October 2019 at Option A. Gandhi Bhavan, Delhi. B. Sabarmati River Front, Ahmedabad. C. Gandhi Statue, Washington, D.C. D. White House, USA. The correct answer is Option B, Sabarmati River Front, Ahmedabad. Question number 2. As on 31st March 2019, this circle has more departmental post offices. Option A, Uttar Pradesh. B, Maharashtra. C, Tamil Nadu. D, Kerala. The correct answer is Option C, Tamil Nadu.
Question number 3. Total post offices in India as on 31/3/2019. Option A 1,55,900. Option B 1,65,900. Option C 1,56,600. Option D 1,66,600. Correct answer is option C 1,56,600. Question number 4. As on 31/3/2019, among total Panchayat Sanchar Seva Kendra, more than 74% of locations are only from these two states. Option A, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Option C, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Option D, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Correct answer is option A, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Number 5. As on 31/3/2019, the following circle has more number of post offices in India. Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 6. It is not a part of Mission of India Post. Option A, to sustain its position as the largest postal network. Option B, to provide services to the customers on value for money basis. Option C, to continue to deliver social security services. Option D, to increase the scope of parcel delivery. The correct answer is option D, to increase the scope of parcel delivery, which will not come under Mission of India Post.
Question number 7. Department of Posts rolled out India Post Call Center, IPCC, with Interactive Voice Response System, IVRS, with following toll-free number. Option A, 1800-222-4848. B, 1800-222-5858. C, 1800-666-6868. D, 1800-266-6868. 6868. The correct answer is option D, 1800-266-6868.
Question number 8. In 1852, the first postage stamp in India was issued and it is known as option A, penny black, option C, Swindle Dock, option C, black pepper, option D, national movement. Correct answer is option B, Swindle Dock. Number 9. LIMS portal is related to option A, accounts, option B, CSI, option C, philately, option D, legal cases. Is option D, legal cases. Question number 10. The dash is the apex management body of the Department of Post. Option A, Postal Directorate, option B, Postal Service Board, option D, Dak Bhavan, option D, Secretary Post and DG Post. Correct answer is B, Postal Service Board. Question number 11. Northeastern Circle will not cover the following state. Option A, Assam, option B, Mizoram, option C, Manipur, option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Assam. Assam is a separate circle called as Assam Circle. Question number 12. A separate postal directorate has been created under a higher administrative grade level officer during option A, April 2012, option B, April 2015, option C, April 2018, option D, April 2020. The correct answer is option C, April 2018. Question number 13. Northeastern Circle comprise dash number of states. Option A, 4, option B, 5, option C, 6, option D, 3. The correct answer is option C, 6. That is, it comprises states of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Question number 14. The postal network of the country is divided into dash postal circles for administrative convenience. Option A, 29, option B, 28, option C, 25, option D, 23. The correct answer is option D, 23. Question number 15. To help out differently abled persons and senior citizens, rail and ramp are being constructed at post office under option A, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, option B, Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana, option C, Sugmaya Bharat Abhiyan, option D, Circle Welfare Fund. The correct answer is option C, Sugmaya Bharat Abhiyan. Question number 16. Rakanpa stands for option A, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai National Postal Academy, option B, Radhakrishna National Postal Academy, option C, Ras Ali Kamya National Postal Academy, option D, R.K. Narayan Postal Academy. The correct answer is option A, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai National Postal Academy, and it gives training for PSS Group B and above officers, and it is situated at Ghaziabad. Question number 17. Who is the chairman of PLI Investment Board? Option A, Secretary Post, option B, Member PLI, option C, DG Post, option D, Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor. The correct answer is option B, Member PLI. Question number 18. As on 31/3/2019, on an average, dash number of people are served by post offices in the country. Option A, 8511, option B, 9511, option C, 7511, option D, 6511. Correct answer is option A, 8511. Question number 19. Dash is invitee to the Postal Service Board. Option A, Secretary Post, option B, CPMG, option C, Communication Minister, option D, Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor. Correct answer is option D, Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor. Question number 20. The Disaster Recovery Center has been functioning at option A, CEPT Mysore, option B, FMU Bangalore, option B, GPO Navi Mumbai, option D, SDC Chennai. Correct answer is option A, CEPT Mysore. Question number 21. Postman mobile application designed and developed by option A, CEPT, option B, TCS, option C, Infosys, option D, Reco. The correct answer is option A, CPT. Question number 22. Electronic money order service was introduced by Department of Post in the year. Option A 2012, option B 2001, option C 2005, option D 2008. The correct answer is option D 2008. As a welfare measure for women employees, non-recurring grant at rupees 5,000 is admissible for opening of. The correct answer is option D, tailoring center. Question number 24. Department of Post has been recognized as flag bearer of Swachhata Action Plan and was awarded first prize for its excellent performance during Swachhata Mahotsav 2019 held on 6th September 2019 by option A, Department of Information and Technology, option B, Department of Health, option C, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitization, option D, Department of Family Welfare. The correct answer is option C, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitization, under which the Swachh Bharat mission also comes. Question number 25. Highest award given in India Post for its outstanding employees. Option A, Dak Seva Award. Option B, Vishishta Doot Award. Option C, Meghdut Award. Option D, Best Employee Award. The correct answer is option C, Meghdut Award. Question number 26. Ganga Jal sold in post offices are available in the bottle measuring. Option A 100 ml, option B 200 ml, option C 250 ml, option D 500 ml. The correct answer is option C 250 ml. This question may look simple and silly, but it's a tricky question. So we can expect this kind of questions in exam also. Please prepare. Question number 27. India Security Press located at option A Allahabad, option B Hyderabad, option C Aligarh, option D Nasik. The correct answer is option D Nasik.
Question number 28. Department of Posts has launched the Electronic Indian Postal Order (EIPO) on this date to enable Indian citizens living abroad to pay RTI fee online through the e-post office portal, i.e. https://www.epostoffice.gov.in. Option A 22nd March 2013, B 22nd November 2013, C 22nd March 2014, D 22nd November 2014. The correct answer is option A 22nd March 2013.
Question number 29. Total number of GPO in India. Option A 22, option B 23, option C 24, option D 25. The correct answer is option C 24. The total circle is 23, total GPO is 24. Question number 30. During 2018 and 19, this circle had more traffic of registered and unregistered mails. Option A Gujarat, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Maharashtra, option D Delhi. The correct answer is option C Maharashtra.
21. Post Office started functioning as Aadhaar Enrollment and Updation Center since the year. Option A 2015, option B 2016, option C 2017, option D 2018. Correct answer is option C 2017. Question number 32. During 2018 and 19, this class of article shows more number of traffic compared to others. Option A postcard, option B speed post, option C unregistered packet, option D unregistered letter. The correct answer is option D unregistered letter. Question number 33. As on 31/3/2019, this scheme stands in third position in having more number of accounts. Option A recurring deposit, option B monthly income scheme, option C Sukanya Samruddhi account, option D senior citizen scheme. The correct answer is option B monthly income scheme. Question number 34. Circle from which more money order commission earned during 2018 and 19. Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Karnataka, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Kerala. Correct answer is option B Karnataka. Question number 35. As on 31/3/2019, this scheme has more outstanding balance compared to other schemes. Option A, savings bank account. Option B, monthly income scheme. Option C, Sukanya Samruddhi account. Option D, senior citizen savings scheme. The correct answer is option B, monthly income scheme. Question number 36. Circle in which more number of money order booked during 2018 and 19. Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Kerala. Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Question number 37. KVP was discontinued with effect from 1st December 2011 but was relaunched on option A, 18th November 2018. Option B, 18th November 2012. Option C, 18th November 2016. Option D, 18th November 2014. The correct answer is option D, 18th November 2014. Question number 38. Circle with more number of 8 post offices. Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Northeast. The correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Question number 39. Issue of physical KVP certificate discontinued with effect from option A, 1st July 2016. Option B, 1st July 2018. Option C, 1st July 2012. Option D, 1st July 2014. Correct answer is option A, 1st July 2016.
Question number 40. Circle has less number of letterbox installed, both urban and rural. Option A, Delhi. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Assam. Option D, Northeast. Correct answer is option A, Delhi. Question number 41. Infosys as FSI vendor started providing support for implementation of CBS with effect from option A, 28 September 2011. Option B, 28 September 2012. Option C, 28 September 2013. Option D, 28 September 2014. The correct answer is option B, 28 September 2012.
Question number 42. These category of people will not be covered under extended client. Option A. Doctors pursuing postgraduate degree courses through any government private hospitals. B. Resident doctors employed on contract permanent basis in any government private hospitals. C. Engineers pursuing master's postgraduate degree after having passed GATE entrance test. D. Student pursuing technical education through government ITI. The correct answer is option D, student pursuing technical education through government ITI.
Question number 43. As on 31/3/2019, least number of ex-servicemen working in the following cadre. Option A, Group C MTS. Option B, Group B. Option C, Group C excluding MTS. Option D, Group B non-gazetted. The correct answer is option B, Group B. Question number 44. These category of people will not be covered under extended client for PLI. Option A, management consultant. Option B, professionals like carpenter, cobblers. Option C, architects. Option D, bank employees working in foreign bank. The correct answer is option B, professionals like carpenter and cobblers. Question number 45. As on 31/3/2019, when compared to the total staff in particular cadre, the percentage of ST community staff are more in the following cadre. Option A, Group A. Option B, Group B. Option C, Group C excluding MTS. Option D, Group B non-gazetted. The correct answer is option C, Group C excluding MTS. Question number 46. Net accretion to the Postal Life Insurance Fund and Rural Postal Life Insurance Fund are being invested in government securities and other portfolios as per the DASH guidelines since 4th November 2009. Option A, IRDA. Option B, Postal Service Board. Option C, Government of India. Option D, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. Option A, IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Question 47. In case of direct recruitment, dash percentage of total number of vacancies in the cadre strength in each group of post, that is Group A, Group B, Group C, shall be reserved for persons with benchmark of disabilities. Option A, 2%. Option B, 4%. Option C, 5%, option D 10%. The correct answer is option B 4%. Question number 48. The Department of Post has introduced a Circle Welfare Fund scheme for Gramin Dak Sevak from option A 110-2012, option B 110-2013, option C 110-2014, option D 110-2015. Correct answer is option B 110-2013. Question number 49. The abbreviation CEP more associated with parcel segment. The full form of CEP is option A core end parcel, option B carefully entertaining parcel, option C core express parcel, option D courier express and parcel. The correct answer is courier express and parcel. This terminology is frequently used in PNOP concept and also in annual report. Please go through. The last question, question number 50. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 came into force with effect from option A 1st July 2002, option B 1st July 2003, option C 1st July 2004, option D 1st July 2005. The correct answer is option D 1st July 2005.